Hello everyone, this is Akansh Suman here. Now we are going to solve the questions based on the slider crank mechanisms. Okay. So in the question, it is given that in a slider crank mechanism, the length of the crank and the connecting rods are 150 mm and 600 mm respectively. So the length of the crank is denoted as R, that is 150 mm, 150 mm, and the length of the connecting rod is given, that is 600 mm. I can write it as 0.15 meter. Okay. So what is the obliquity ratio? And we can calculate the obliquity ratio L upon R. Okay. So what is L? 600 upon R is 150 mm. So from here we can get the value of obliquity ratio, that is equal to R. Okay. Now crank position is 60 degree. That means theta is 60 degree. Crank position is 60 degree. If you are not able to understand, you can see the diagram. This is our crank and this is the connecting rod. I am just drawing the rough diagram here for just the understanding purpose. Okay. So this is the crank rotation. Okay. And this is basically the inner dead center, and angle is measured from the inner dead center always. Theta angle is measured from the inner dead center, or it can also be called as top dead center. Okay. I just have to rearrange the diagram. Okay. So this would be the connecting rod. This is crank here. Okay, now you can see this is the angle theta and this is L and this is R. So theta is 60 degree, which is measured from the inner dead center. The crankshaft speed is 450 rpm clockwise. That means the crank is going to be rotated in the clockwise direction. So the omega, we can calculate omega value. Omega is equal to 2 pi n. N value is given, that is 450. I can write here n is equal to 450 rpm. 450 upon 60. From here, when you solve this using calculator, you can get the value of omega, and it would comes out to be 47.12 radian per second. 47.12 radian per second. Okay, this is the value of omega. Now, in the first part, we have to find out the velocity and acceleration of the slider. Slider means piston. So, what is the formula for velocity of the piston? We all know that R omega sin theta plus sin 2 theta by 2n. Sin 2 theta by 2n. Now, you can see here. What is the value of R? That is radius, that would be in 0.15 meter, because I want to calculate velocity in meter per second. So that's why I'm putting the value of radius in meter. And what is the omega? That is 47.12. That is sine 60 degree plus sine 2 theta means sine 120 degree upon 2n. 2 multiply n value we have calculated, that is 4. So when you solve this, these equations, you will get the value of velocity of piston or slider, that is 6.9 meter per second. So this is the answer. That means we have calculated the velocity. Now we have to calculate the acceleration. So what is the formula of the acceleration? That is R omega square cos of theta plus cos of 2 theta by n. Okay, and we are having all the values. So a is equal to 0.15 multiply 47.1 to the whole square. What is cos? 60 degree plus cos 120 degree upon n is 4. So when you solve these equations, you will get the value of accelerations that would comes out to be 124.94 meter per second square. That would be the acceleration of the slider. Okay, so we have solved the first part of the question. Now we are going to solve the second part of the question. The second part, what is asking? In the second part, it is asking that find out the angular velocity and angular acceleration of the connecting rod. So what is the formula for the angular velocity for the connecting rod? We have derived this formula and we got the final result, that is omega CR is equal to omega cos of theta by n, cos of theta by n. What is omega? 47.12 and theta value is 60 degree and this is 4. So omega connecting rod that you will get here, that would comes out to be 5.9 radian per second, because this is the angular velocity of the connecting rod. This is not connecting, this is connecting rod. Okay, now in the next we have to calculate the angular acceleration of the connecting rod. And angular acceleration, we know that the alpha is equal to d omega by dt, d omega by dt. Okay, so here alpha CR we have calculated in the derivation portion, and that we have got minus omega sin theta by n. Here minus sign denotes that the connecting rod is trying to reduce the angle beta. Okay, so that is the minus sign denotes here. So here minus, if you want to calculate the magnitude, you can also calculate. So this is minus multiplied to 27.12 sin 60 degree upon n is 4. So from here you can calculate the value of, I am just calculating using calculator. We have to calculate the angular accelerations omega for the connecting rod, that is omega square minus of omega square sin theta by n. Okay, we all know that omega is equal to d alpha is equal to d omega by dt. Okay, this is the angular acceleration. See here minus sign denotes that connecting rod is trying to reduce the angle beta. So minus omega square, omega is 47.12 square sin 60 upon 4. Now using calculator you can solve these equations, and what is the answer you are going to get? That is 480.7. 480.7. Sometimes in the questions they will ask you to find out the magnitude, and when they will ask you to magnitude, then you don't have to consider the sign. Okay, so read the question carefully. What is asking in the question? What is asking in the question? We have to read the question here. This is radian per second square. This is the minus 480.7 radian per second square is the final answer. I hope you will able to understand the solution of that question. Okay,